Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link a PDF in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open Google Drive. Click the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload. Now upload your PDF file. Wait for it to finish uploading. Once the PDF has been uploaded, right-click on the file, then click Share and click on Share again. From here in the General Access, click on the drop-down and select anyone with the link. If you want other people to open the PDF, then click on Copy Link. Now open your Google Docs document. Select the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. For example, you can select the word Open PDF. Then press Ctrl K on your keyboard. This will open the hyperlink option. Now paste the PDF link into the box and click Apply. Your text is now linked to the PDF file. You can also simply paste the Google Drive link directly into your Google Docs document. Google Docs may automatically turn it into a clickable link or display it as a file zip. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.